Now here's a recipe that stands the test of time. Add your favorite spirits, sprinkle in some friends, and stir up some great conversation. Before your next cocktail party, here are your basics. Having a punch bowl available for your guests, it's a great way to make sure that everyone gets their first drink. While you can go and mingle with your guests. You don't want to be stuck behind a bar mixing individual drinks right off the bat. Not me, I'm going back. And pay attention to your bar table. Make sure it's accessible from at least 3 sides, so guests can help themselves without getting into a traffic jam. Place your spirits and ingredients in the center, with glassware at each end. It's also a good idea to have 2 stations for condiments, utensils, and napkins. And don't forget about the ice. Is that good?
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Set out more than 1 ice bucket. And don't forget the tongs and a cover. You know, ice is almost always a main ingredient in any drink. So stock up. Ice, anybody?
Never, never, never run out of ice. I always plan for at least 2 pounds of ice per person at a party.
Remember, as the host, what you're doing more than anything is you are setting the mood of the evening. So what music you choose is going to come into play. The lighting is going to come into play.
Always have like a specialty drink, you know, and it's always a really nice theme. People feel like, you know, you've gone the extra step.
Always invite a group of eclectic people. Don't just stick with your friends that you see every day, but kind of mix it up.